Hi guys, I'm Gab, and today we will be looking at how to analyze and unpack the packed malware sample, which is a part of our assessment in malware analysis unit. So let's jump right into it. So if we look at the screen, we have already opened up DIE, which helps us to analyze packed malwares, and it gives us various signals. One of them would be looking at different signals such as entropy, sections, and all that stuff. So let's look at the entropy. The entropy is really high, which is actually common in packed malware samples. If you look at the strings, there's going to be a lot of unreadable strings, as you can see, which is also indicated that it's a packed malware sample. And there's heaps of information that you can look after. And let's jump into the section where we unpack this malware file. So I've already opened up Gidra. It will help us to recognize what's the execution point. So I've already loaded the thing up. You can see there are only two functions. So we're just going to scroll through the decompiled code, and we're going to figure out what's the execution point. If we just scroll down to the bottom, you'll see a warning bad instruction truncating control flow here. And so it could be an indicator where you can find the OEP. So as you can see, the section I have highlighted, it will show you the reoccurring code on the other side. So it has no address. If we just get to instruction above the warning sign, you'll find the jump instruction here. So yeah, that's the address. And if we just copy this address, which we might need when we're doing the unpacking. So let's just make a note of this address, 004E108. Let's just open debugger. I've already opened it up, so it's easy for us to analyze the file. So if we just look um, uh, 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 um, breakpoints, I've already made a breakpoint for this address that we just found on Gidra. Okay, I'll show you. Where is it? We just reload the file. Okay. So 00, the address was 0040E108. There you go. That's the jump instruction. So 0040D, let me just find it through E108. We can do a control G, and we just copy the address from Gidra. E10. Okay, there you go. So I've already added the breakpoint on that instruction. Okay, let me just run it. Okay, and then we just run it until the breakpoint is applied. Then we go step over. It will give us the address where it jumps to. So that's the address 004011CB. If we just go through here, that's the same address 004011CB. So that actually gives us a definite answer that yeah, we are on the right track. So we just gonna do what we're gonna do is we're gonna load up Scala. We have already so the OAP has already been autofilled. That tells us that system has already recognized the execution point. We're gonna do IAT also auto search, which will pre-fill the virtual and the virtual size. And now we're gonna do the get imports. Have got all the imports from the memory, and all has been ticked off, so means we are good to go. And then we're gonna dump the file. We're just gonna select a path. I would just do here mid-semester assessment, save, and you can see it gives you a prompt dump success. And now we're gonna fix the dump. So fix dump. We select the file that we just dumped. There you go. Open, and it will give you a prompt import rebuild success. There you go. Um, yep. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna verify that the dump that was fixed is actually unpacked stuff. So we're gonna load that file in DIE to analyze it. Let's just do it real quick. PP desktop. And that's the fixed file. There you go. We're going to open it up. Let's see. So the compiler is different. Usually the compiler with the back malware is UPX. In this case, it's not UPX. We're just going to do file info. As you can see, the size is fair enough. Okay. Let's look at the entropy. 2.24. That makes a huge difference because it was before 6.6 and now it's 2.2, which shows us that yes, the file has been unpacked, and you can see the entropy levels as well. You can see different sections. Um, you can also see the strings. So there's going to be more readable strings, as you can see. That's about the unpacking. Hope you enjoyed it, and thank you so much for watching.